winner takes it all. The loser has to fall. That's important, right? Why should I complain? But tell me those like I used to kiss you. Those the day when she calls your name.
Galing! Wala ba kayong mga kamay?
So I miss you, but what can I say? Rules must be obeyed. They just run on the side. The light of me a bright, back in the sky. Always see the game is on again, and lovers on a friend. A big deal this month, the winner takes it all. I don't wanna tell if you make me feel inside, and I understand. You come to shake my hand. I apologize.
Isang tengo. Ganda o.
Make you feel it bad.
Ganda o.
Say so. No self-confidence.
Bawal may minum. Bawal. Oh. Hello.
The winner takes it all.
Shout out! Hello! Kay GC kaya ako kainin. Kay GC mo. Meron ka magkain na.
Ako, may pisa ka to eh.
Aliyo? Ba't lagi ito? Mag-vlog? Mag-vlog pa rin kay YouTube.
Kaya nga ba YouTube?
Kay YouTube.
Lakad na ang follower.
5K na lang. 5K.
Dapat mag-vlog mo rin.
Mag-share na ako. Ako na best mix. Oh, shout out! Kay mo GC ka rin, kay mo kain eh. Kampay!
Shout out kang Verde Salabran.
Ayan o, pulutan. Tulingan niya yan. Wala, nakapit na yan. May tuling yan. Oh, mate. So, itong kahit.
Sana mawala.
Ala, hindi bang mawawala. Abili kayo mo petang.
Hi.
Kahit kayo ni kayong chat. Putang mulib. Eh, kaya kasi abuklat eh. Mag-live ko sa akin kayo. Shout out! Wala, ipopost ko lang sa GC.
Bubungan yung mga tao.
Ay, bubungan niya. Oh,
Hello. Have a nice day.
60 birthday. Yan.
60th birthday of our friend.
Friend. Pechay.
Don't put the, it's wrong spell. Misspelled.
Ha? Ay, wow.
Misspelled. Kaya mo na i-upload din eh.
Halik ko na, Ren Manina mo ilang upload ko pong cupcake.
Ayan, yung cake na kaya niyang harap na yun.
Wow. Ulit-ulit. Mamaya,